Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to send a direct message on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application, so we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. Go to the Instagram application, click on Instagram. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to your profile, and then to send a direct message, go back to home, go to DMs, search for whoever you wish to send a message to. There is my backup or second account. Click on this. Go to message. I'll just say hello. Send. And now we can see I have sent a message from computer science videos to my second account. We saw the notification on top. I will go to another mobile phone or computer to see and acknowledge the message. Go back once. Now, home, direct message. As you can see by the acknowledgement and the message sent back, I have acknowledged and seen the message. Go back once, go back twice, go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.